అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు మనం ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్లో పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ ట్రైనామియల్స్ ఎలా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలో తెలుసుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ పాలినామియల్స్ అంటే a plus b whole square is the perfect square. This is the square number, and a square plus 2ab plus b square and a square minus 2ab plus b square. These are the perfect square trinomials. So, how do we factorize such perfect square trinomials? A trinomial in which two terms are perfect squares. A trinomial in which two terms are perfect squares and the third term is twice. The a square plus b square plus 2ab. And రాసినప్పుడు first term, second term perfect squares. Third term is the twice the product of square roots of these two perfect squares. Twice the product of square roots of these two. What is the square root of a square? Is nothing but a. Square root of b square is b. So twice the product of a and b. The third term is. So ఇలా మనం ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ కి ఇచ్చిన పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ ట్రైనామియల్స్ కి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు అన్నమాట. సో లెట్స్ సీ ది ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. 36x square plus 60xy plus 25y square. To find the factors, first perfect square trinomial కాదు చెక్ చేయాలి. పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ ట్రైనామియల్ కాదు చెక్ చేయాలంటే look at the square terms and first and last square terms. 36 is a perfect square number and 25 also perfect square number. So we can write this 36 as 6x whole square. 36 మనం 6 square express చేయొచ్చు కదా. So plus, first look at the last one. 25 is also perfect square number. So 25 can be written as 5 square, which is 5y whole square. Middle term ఏంటి? a square plus 2ab plus b square. a square b square తెలిసింది. What is a here? 6x. So 2 into 6x into here b is 5y. 5x. Yes, it is in, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇది a square plus 2ab plus b square formation ఉంది కదా. So it is a perfect square trinomial. Then what are the factors of this? So 6a plus b whole square formation లో ఉంది, expansion formation లో ఉంది కాబట్టి then 6x plus 5y, దీన్ని ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, 6x plus 5y whole square గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Then what are the factors of this? 6x plus 5y into 6x plus 5y. These are the factors of this perfect square trinomial. ఇలా మనం ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ని లాస్ట్ రెండు స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్స్కి ఉన్న న్యూమరికల్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్స్ కాదో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్స్ అయితే the middle term is the product twice of the product of the square roots of these square numbers or not అని చెక్ చేయాలన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, 4y minus 4y square minus 4. దీన్ని ఎలా ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ చేయాలి? How do we factorize this? So arrange this in the a square plus 2ab plus b square form. First square form ఏంటి? 4y square minus 4y square plus 4y, standard form లో రాస్తున్నాను, minus 4. Here 4 is the perfect square and here also 4y is also can be written in the square form. Perfect square set. కానీ what is the difference? The first leading term is the negative. If you get the such question, the leading term is negative. Whenever a polynomial has the negative leading coefficient, we must multiply this whole term by minus 1. Then minus 1 into minus 4y square plus 4y minus 4. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం దాన్ని minus 1తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. సో మల్టిప్లై విత్ దట్, దెన్ వి గెట్ 4y square, positive 4y square minus 4y plus 4. Now can we, this is a perfect square and this is also perfect square number. So let's check it. Is this perfect square trinomial? First term, last term perfect square అయినంత మాత్రాన middle term perfect square, which is in the form of 2ab formation లో ఉందో లేదో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. So let's check it. 4y square can be written as 2y whole square minus plus, write the last term in the square form. So a square b square outside, which is in the middle, minus 2a is 2y and b, which is 2. Is this 2 times 2y times 2 is equal to 4y? So in middle term, 2 times 2y times 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8y. But here, this is minus 4y. So this is not a perfect square trinomial. So రెండు ఈక్వల్ కాదు. ఇది a square minus plus b square ఫార్మేషన్లో ఉన్నా కూడా మిడిల్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇన్ 2 times a square root of a and b. So 2ab ఫార్మేషన్లో లేదు. Minus 2 times 2y into 2 is not equal to minus 4y. This is not a perfect square trinomial. 4x square minus 4x plus 1. So look at the first and the last term. Are these perfect square numbers? Yes. 4 can be written as 2 square. So which can be written as 2x square minus 2 times the last term is 1. 1 can be written as 1 square. So 2 times ab, which is 2x times 1. Yes. So this is in the form of 4x is in the form of 2ab. So the given, this can be written as 2x plus 1, minus 1 whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square formation ఉంది కాబట్టి then a minus b whole square form, which is 2x minus 1 whole square. So 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. These are the factors of the 4x square minus 4x plus 1. 64x square minus 80xy plus 25y square. So same method. First square terms రెండు check చేయండి. Are these perfect square numbers? Yes. This can be written as 8x square plus this can be written as 5y whole square. So మనకి ab వచ్చేసింది 2 into ab ఫార్ములా ఉందో లేదో చెక్ చేయండి. So 2 into 8x times 5y. So 8x square, 2 8s are 16, 16 5s 80 into xy. Yes, this is the perfect square, which is equal to, this can be written as 8x minus 5y whole square, which is 8x minus 5y times 8x minus 5y. Difference of two squares. What is this? A square minus b square. These two are squares, and here we are finding the difference, which is a plus b into a minus b. Its difference is, so ఇలా difference of squares use the formula used as a factorization. Difference of two squares gives its factors, which is x square by 25 minus y square by 36. Look here, this is the first question. Both numerator and denominator are also perfect square. This can be written as x square by 5 square minus y square by 6 square. This is also can be written as x by 5 whole square minus y by 6 whole square. So this can be written as x by 5 plus y by 6 times x by 5 minus y by 6. Factorize 16a square minus 9 into b minus c whole square. 16a square minus 9 can be written as 3 square into b minus c whole square. So 16a square, 3 square times bc, b minus c whole square can be written as 16a square is 4a whole square minus, so this is also square number which is in the form of a square into b square form. A times b whole square అంటే 3b minus 3c whole square. ఇక్కడ మనం యూజ్ చేసిన ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, a power m into b power m. Here powers are same, both factors are different. ab, this can be written as a times a whole power m. That is the formula which we used there. So again this is in the form of a square minus b square, which means 4a plus 3b minus 3c into 4a plus of 3b minus 3c. These are the factors, which is 4a minus 3b minus 3c into 4a plus 3b, sorry, apply the minus, this becomes positive, 4a plus 3b minus 3c. These are the factors. A rectangular path has an area of 5x square plus 17x plus 6 square units. One of its side is, here, option A, 5x plus 6, option B, x plus 2, option C, 5x plus 2, option D is 5x plus 1, 5x plus 1. So to know the one of its side, we have to factorize. Solution, 5x square plus 17x plus 6. So this is not, as previous question, this is not a perfect square polynomial, sorry. Perfect square polynomial level and first term, last term, perfect square numbers and perfect squares and but these are not perfect squares. So this is just factorization of trinomials. To factorize such trinomials, first we have, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So to find the factors of this, we need to multiply a and c. A, C ni multiply cheste 5, 6 are 30. Now we have to factorize this 30. We have to find the factors of 30, which sum is 17. Which sum is 17. A sum and 17 ki equal అవుతుంది. ఆ factors find out చేయాలి. చూడండి, 30 ones are 30, 30 plus 1. So 15 twos are 30. So 15, if you add 15 and 2, it gives 17. So this case 17x can be written as 15x plus 2x. 5x square plus 15x plus 2x plus 6 plus 6. The product of two numbers is 30 and the sum is 17. Yeah? Equation, a polynomial అనేది ax square plus bx plus c ఫార్మేషన్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏసీని మల్టిప్లై చేసి దాని ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఆ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏమైనా ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ మస్ట్ బి ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏసీ అండ్ సమ్ మస్ట్ బి బి బిఎక్స్ ఏఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బిఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సి ఫార్మేషన్ అప్పుడు వాటి సమ్ చేస్తే బికి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి. బి వాల్యూ ఎంత 17. సో ఫ్యాక్టర్ దిస్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఇస్ 5x ఇంటూ 5x స్క్వేర్లో 5x పోతే x ప్లస్ 15xలో 5x పోతే జస్ట్ 3 ప్లస్ రెండిట్లో కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏంటి 2, which is 2 into x plus 3. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, in this first and second expressions the common factor is x plus 3. Common factor is x plus 3. First common factor రాసేయండి and then 5x plus 2. So these are the factors of the given area of rectangle. So area of rectangle అంటే ఏంటి? Area is nothing but length into breadth. Length is one side and breadth is other side of the rectangle. The question is about one of its side. One of its sides is, రెండు sides లో ఒక side ఏంటి అనేది question. So here we have two sides, which is x plus 3 and 5 times x plus 2. So which option is suitable? 5x plus 2. Is there 5x plus 2? Yes. C is the correct option. 5x plus 2 is one of its sides. Simplification of algebraic expressions అంటే యాక్చువల్లీ ప్రీవియస్ చాప్టర్లో మనం ఏం నేర్చుకున్న, సింప్లిఫికేషన్ అంటే లైక్ టర్మ్స్ని కంబైన్ చేయడం. So a common factor of two or more polynomials is a polynomial which divides each of them is exactly. Common factor of two or more polynomials ante enti? Actual factorization ante enti? What are the 20 factors? The numbers which product is 20, those are said to be factors. Suppose 5 4s are 20, otherwise 10 2s are 20, otherwise 20 1s are 20. So here 21, 5, 4, 2, 10, all these are factors of 20. Correct? Factors of 20. 1 is the least common factor, 20 is the highest common factor. So factorization ante idi. If a number divide the other number exactly, it is said to be a factor of the number, which is 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 5 divide the 20 exactly, then 5 is the factor of 20. Also 4 is also factor because 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. 4 also can divide the 20. So 24 is also factor of 20. Similarly, in algebra also we are going to factor in the part of the factorization. Now we are going to discuss about HCF of polynomials. Factorization లో భాగంగా మనం HCF of polynomials గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. The highest common factor of two Polynomials is a polynomial of highest degree and the greatest numerical coefficient which divide both the polynomials exactly. It is shortly written as HCF. Suppose ఏవైనా టూ టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయనుకో, ఫస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 6xy and 20x²y. Here we have two terms. What is the HCF of these two terms? Generally HCF అంటే ఏంటి? హైయెస్ట్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. ఫస్ట్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద న్యూమరికల్ కోఎఫిషియన్స్. ఈ న్యూమరికల్ కోఎఫిషియన్స్లో 16కి 20కి హైయెస్ట్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ is 4. So 4 is the highest common factor. Look at the variable coefficients xy and xy. ఇక్కడ x power 1 y power 1 x square y power 1. ఈ రెండింటిలో కామన్గా ఉన్న x వేరియబుల్స్ ఏంటి? x power 1 x power 2. కానీ highest common ఏముంది? x power 1 is the highest common factor. And then y1 only y is the common factor. This is HCF of the 16xy and 20x²y. సో ఇలా కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ 6 ఇంటూ వై ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ వైలో 20 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ టైమ్స్ వై. 20 అంటే 4 5s are 20. 16 అంటే 4 4s are 16. 4 is common, x is common. So 4x. Y is also common. So this is the HCF of both the terms. And how do we find the HCF of? Find the HCF of x square plus x minus 2 comma x cube plus 5x square plus 6x. 5x square plus 6x. This is one expression, this is the other expression. What is the highest common for these two expressions? This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. A value is 1, b value is 1 and c value is minus 2. So x square, two factors, 2 1s are 2. Product 2 రావాలి, minus 2 రావాలి, యాడ్ చేస్తే ఓన్లీ 1 ప్లస్ 1 రావాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? minus 2 plus 1. The product is minus 2 and the sum is plus 1. Sorry, plus 2 minus 1. Plus 2 minus 1. X square plus 2x minus 1 minus 2. So common factors, రెండింటిలో common factor x into x plus 2. x common తీసేసాం కాబట్టి 2 minus 1 into sorry ఇక్కడ x రాయాలి కదా, 1x x minus x plus 2 minus common తీసేసాం కదా. So in the both x plus 2 is a common factor and x minus 1 is other factor. So దీంట్లో ఉన్న factors x square plus x minus 2 factors are x plus 2 x minus 1. Factorize the second expression which is x cubed plus 5x square minus 6x. Sorry, plus 6x. ఇక్కడ క్యూబ్ టర్మ్ ఉంది కదా, this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. x extra ఉంది కాబట్టి, so common, first common, pick out the common x, write the common x out. Both the terms x is common, so x square x common is the x square plus 5x plus 6. Now we can factorize. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So x write as it is and factorize. So x ones are a into c is 6. 6 factors తీసుకోవాలి, 6 factors ని యాడ్ చేస్తే 5 రావాలి, plus 6 factors, 3 2s are 6, 3 plus 2 5. So which is x square. 5x can be written as 3x plus 2x plus 6. Factorize. x into x factorize. A common factor in both the terms. X plus 3. Then it's a common factor plus 2 into x plus 3. So x plus 3 is common factor equal to x into x plus 3 into x plus 2. So ఇది first expression factors. These are second expression factors. మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? We need highest common factor. Which is highest common factor? X plus 2 is only the common factor and it is also highest common factor. So HCF is equal to x plus 2. The highest common factor of these two expressions is x plus 2. Thank you.